What's up, everyone? Today I'm gonna tell you how to get Python onto your computer. Number one, obviously you gotta go into downloads. So then you have to click on this button right here, download Python. Well, I already have it downloaded, but yeah. After that, you're gonna get an installation process and stuff. So, so yeah, you gotta wait on that. Let's see where it is. I'm just gonna show you it. Yeah, this is gonna be the installation setup. So I'm gonna press cancel real quick, because that's really not what you want. So we're gonna go back here, and since after you're done with all that, yeah, and also you gotta press add Python to pad if you see that button. But yeah, I know why this one thing is so closed out. Ding. Oh no. Let's just go to my Python coding thing, and now we're gonna create a new file. So to do that, you need to go to Notepad. Yes, Notepad. I'm gonna make this super big so you can actually hear this. Up, up. The only way you can do this is, oh, I'm just gonna zoom in a lot so maybe you can see it. Yeah. Now we're gonna write print print hello world. If you're wondering why are we doing this, you'll see soon. Now we're gonna write file, save as. I'm gonna save it to Python coding. All files. Now we're gonna call it hello world dot py. Now it should be there. So there's two ways you can run this. Number one, you can click on it. Number two, though, you gotta go into our control panel. I mean command prompt. Actually, it's called. That's what it's called. You gotta type in Python. Take. Actually, no, that's the wrong part. Take hello world. Put it right there, and now press enter. Hello world. Yes, yes, we did it. So now, what if you now to edit this? You gotta go. You want to re-edit this? Well, you gotta click on idle and see. This time it's a little bit more better because see, as you can see, there are different colors and stuff, and those symbolize what they're doing. So I'm just gonna make like a little question thing like here. Question equals input what is the color of the sky. Now we're gonna make a little choice thing right here. So we're gonna write what actually I'm gonna Actually, I'm gonna try to zoom it in maybe a little bit. Yeah, you're gonna zoom in here. That's kind of weird, so it's gonna be pretty hard to see this after all. This really has a very bad display, but I'm just gonna write this down. Question equals input parentheses that and that. No, I pressed the wrong thing, so I gotta do this. Make a new line saying if. Actually, look here. I'm gonna teach you something. Like if you press dash n, then it'll make like a new paragraph. So I'm gonna write dash n. I'm gonna write one. Well, one would probably equal blue, and dash n two gray. Now we're gonna write now we're gonna write question equals int parentheses question. I don't know exactly what that does, but I think it makes it an variable. I don't know. So yeah, now I'm gonna write if question equal 2 times 1, then put colon and say print parentheses good job. Now we're gonna write else print bad job. Now I'm gonna put this in Notepad. I'm just saying that I'm gonna put this in Notepad just in case for like, oh, I can't see it and stuff. I'm gonna put this in Notepad and zoom in a lot so it'll be easier for you to see. But yeah, and then we print. Then you write print the end. Print. Actually, that's enough prints. And okay, there's 2 ways to run it. If you're too lazy, you can just press run module. But yeah, I usually do. But yeah, I usually do that when I'm like checking on editing stuff. But yeah, since I'm pretty sure this is correct, I'm just gonna click on it. Hello world. What is the color of the sky? 1. The game crashes. So, let's see what the problem is here. Well, 1. Good job. The end. It works in here, so probably some kind of error, I bet. Now, if you put the wrong answer, I'm gonna write 2. That says bad job. Well, that's the basic that's a little basic quiz for you in Python. Now I'm gonna exit out. Go open this. We're gonna open this in Notepad. Open with Notepad. Print hello. Now here's all the code. So dash n backslash and make it a new paragraph. Yeah, yeah, that's so basically that's the basic of Python. I just wrote, I know, yeah, but yeah, hello world is basically just like the beginning of Python. I'm gonna make a lot of tutorials on stuff later, but that's it for today.